Use Subway Surfer code. I will show you how to use Subway Surfer code to unlock free rewards like coin, keys and more. Let's dive in. Open our Subway Surfer application. You have to open your browser and go to the official Subway Surfer redeem page. On the redeem page, you have to enter the code into the text box. For example, runner-up 88 something like this. Then you have to tap the green check mark to submit. If the code is valid, your rewards will be added to your game account instantly. Enjoy your free goodies. And that's how you use Subway Surfer codes. Keep an eye out for new codes to get more new free stuff.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.